Hi traders, Crispin here on the 6th of October 2021. This is a video about how to not install an FX AlgoTrader product. It's an example where a customer made assumptions, and you can see here this is the email trail. I've protected the name of the person just for their own privacy. You can see here that there's a trail of emails which is quite frankly utterly ridiculous. You know, we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 emails on Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 emails on Tuesday, and so on. And this is essentially just because people make assumptions, they do not read the installation guide, and their own sense of being an expert with MetaTrader gets the better of them, and they spend a week wrestling with an installation which should take less than 90 seconds. So you can see here what happened was the first thing here, I really need your help installing this indicator. I dragged it, I put it in my folder for MT4, whatever that means, dragged it and nothing happened. I wish this could be simpler. I do not understand what you needed us to do with the Java file, so clearly they haven't read the installation guide. Then it goes on, gets worse and worse. I have bought many indicators before. All we need to do is paste the indicator into the MT4 folder, which I've done successfully with yours. Well, you haven't, because what you'll see shortly. So here we can see what they've done is they've essentially run the installer against the indicators folder. And what that then does is it then creates an erroneous file system inside the MT4 indicators folder, like for example putting this libraries folder in here with the functions.jfx library file. So this is just a clear example of someone where they have just made assumptions and they've run the installer against the MT4 indicators folder, and it's just caused them no end of drama, which just went on and on and on and on quite a long time. And then in the end get an email saying, if your installation guide is explanatory, I would not be asking you over and over again. Well, kind of like if you read the installation guide, it's kind of pretty self-explanatory. You know, I can't really see how we can make it any clearer. So Pro Series Tools, which is what the person had ordered, introduction, and then it says, make sure you have Java installed on your machine. You must install Pro Series Tools in the MT4 data folder. If you don't know what the MT4 data folder is or how to find it, please watch this video to avoid a painful and lengthy installation process. And it goes on all the way through the installation guide, constantly banging on about the MT4 data folder. And in all fairness, if people carry on doing this, I'm going to have to start charging for support, because it's just utterly ridiculous. You know, this was a sort of a $50 purchase, and to get this level of tech support overload, someone sending literally 20 plus emails in the space of 6 working days. I mean, it's just nuts. If you're having trouble with the installation, please read the guide, because it will just save you a whole load of trouble. As you can see from this, it's just, you know, the amount of money that we spent supporting someone who plays this game and won't cooperate with the installation guide, it's just not worth us being in business, to be honest with you. So please read the installation guide. That's kind of just a polite message. Thanks very much.